Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna do a decluttering session. Actually, it's gonna be more of a cleaning session because there is one thing that made me realize that it was time to clean. So the other day I was washing my hand, everything normal so far, and then I just looked right here and I saw that it's an avocado tag that got in my bathroom on my sink. How that kind of things happen. And the fact that I washed my hand for around like a month or 2 months without even realizing that the avocado tag was there, made me realize that there is a problem and I need to take care of my house right now. So that's what we're gonna do all together today. Yeah. This is a pursuit of my ideal self. There are so many places in my apartment where there are a lot of things accumulating that I don't really need. Not that I don't need the things, but I don't need to let the things hanging out everywhere. I need to find room for them, So that's what I'm gonna try to do today because, at some point when you have that many stuff going on all around you, it kind of takes so much of your mental space. But one thing that I realized, with the avocado tag is that there are so many things, once you got used to something, you just don't pay attention to it anymore. So here, if I look closely, there's so many things that I don't use on a daily basis that I kind of use it every 2 days, that I use every day. But that's my perfume, but it's empty. So why is it here? I have no idea. So I need to find room for all of that. So there is a little bit of room in a corner. I don't know if you guys can see, the lighting is not amazing, but I have so many things that I've accumulated here and things that I never touch. But at the same time, when you look from far, kind of look a little bit messy, right? So we're gonna get all of the things from there. So what happens actually is that this place used to belong to someone else that I don't know, but since the place comes with furnitures, the landlord lets all of these things. So I kind of got a lot of cool things, but at the same time I got stuff like bags and I have 3 iron. I obviously don't need 3. Ooh, this is cool. These are the kind of bags with pressure and you put your clothes on it. But I'm not gonna keep it. I don't need it. Okay, so I'm gonna take all of the things, I don't know if you guys can see it, and I'm gonna put them right there on the bed. So basically what I've done is that I've kind of put everything there. So for example, here it's more of the paper stuff that I don't use. Here it's more of, my books. Here is everything that is about technology. Here is everything that is about medication. Here is my pens and everything. So basically what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna try to find a dedicated place for each one of these categories. So for example, technology, I might put it right here, somewhere there. Books, I might put it here because it's nice to have all of my book hanging around. My hats, I need to find a place for my hats and my sunglasses. So I'm actually kind of done. I've came up with some ideas. So one thing that I realized and that is very important, I think, is that we need to find room for each category of things. So for example, you should put all of your technologies in one place. So I've came up with something, it's kind of messy, but I'm gonna put all of my technology right here. So basically every time I will need technology, I will get things from here. Guys, I'm not very organized instructor, so I will not take time to create a beautiful space because I don't do that kind of thing. But at least putting all of my things in the same place is gonna be very helpful, because what's going on is that a lot of my stuff was just hanging around and going from place to place, and at the end of the day I would never find anything. So I think that's gonna be very helpful. I kept only the things that I use on a daily basis outside. So also my books, as I told you guys, I think it could be great to have my books outside. I made sure to keep my sleeping space, to keep it very light. Only important things going on right there. So generally the space looks more clean, more, you know, clutter free, and that's what we wanted. So I'm pretty happy with the session, and I think it's really gonna help me get more focus and generally feeling better when I'm home. I'm not sure we realize how, you know, space and how, you know, where we spend our time, the impact of the way it is organized. And you know, if you see a lot of things around you all the time, a lot of information, it's hard to stay focused and it's hard to keep your mind clean. If your place is not well organized and well structured, it's tough to keep your mind well organized and well structured. That's what I would tell you guys. So I'm gonna let you guys on that. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please like it and hit the subscribe button. And I'm gonna see you guys in 2 days. We're gonna go to bring all of the things that I don't know what to do with, like all of the things that I don't need anymore. We're gonna bring the things somewhere. I don't know where, not yet, but I'm gonna make research and I'm gonna make another video when we will get there. So thank you guys for watching that video.